I'm Tracy Gaudet. It's great to be back with you. And today we're going to talk about whole health and the circle of health. So we talked about conceptually what whole health is. And just to remind you, the way we think about whole health is it really comes down to living a full and meaningful life, that where you're empowered and equipped to take on all aspects of your health and well-being, mental, emotional, or spiritual, so that you can live your fullest life. So what does that look like, and how do you dig into that a little bit? I would say the best graphic we have for that is what we call the circle of health. And so I'd like to walk you through that and have you reflect on what that means to your health and well-being. You can see at the center of the circle is meaning and purpose. And that is because grounded in everything we do around whole health is beginning with an exploration of what really matters most to you. And many of us don't think about that much until we're in a health crisis. So we encourage all of us, ourselves included, to stop and reflect on what matters most to me. What do I want my health for? What brings me a sense of meaning and purpose? And when you can get refocused and grounded in that, a lot can change. So that's at the center of the circle of health. Around that is pause, notice, choose, and there's a separate little segment on how you do that. But the essence of that is learning to pause before you do an action and notice how you're feeling allows you to make conscious choices. So that informs all of those aspects of self-care, which are in the green circle. We kind of sometimes call those petals. And you can read what those are. They include some you would expect, like food and drink. And also some maybe you don't expect, like your spirituality, the power of the mind, etc. So all of those areas of self-care are essential to optimizing your well-being. The next circle is professional care. So hopefully this is aligned with all aspects of your medical care, whomever is a part of your professional care that supports your health and well-being. And that is all in the context. If I could make this circle a sphere, I would do that, because it's all embedded and embraced by community, where you live, where you work, where you learn. So that is the construct that we use, the frame of reference that we use for exploring your whole health. And in the next segment, I'm going to walk you through and orient you to a great tool called the Whole Health Reflection Tool that will allow you to begin to apply this in your own life. So thanks for joining today, and I'll see you next time.